Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. And today we're going to put a couple tires on the Deuce. We're going to talk about what tools I think you should have to change tires on the truck. So without further ado, let's get that truck in that garage and get this party started. How about that? Hey, you know, just because you have certain means to do something probably doesn't mean you should use it. So even in using a 1/2-inch drive ratchet, would it work? Yeah, with a cheater bar and probably ruining all kinds of stuff and breaking knuckles. And should you? No, definitely not, especially not putting it back on because you're never going to get it tight enough. So anyway, we're not using that. All right, so on the table is tools that you can use. So this came with the truck when I bought it. It's your 24 volt, plugs into the side of the truck. We'll show it today, but I do have a torque multiplier. It's nice to have, especially if you don't have your 24 volt impact. It does work. I've used it a few times, a couple times, not a few, just a couple of times, because it is slow and it's tedious and honestly a pain in the butt. But does it work? Heck yeah, it works. The other things that you need, which came with this set, this torque multiplier set, is you need a bud tool, just a square, and then you need an 1.5" or 38 millimeter. This one says 38 millimeter, which 38 millimeter and 1.5 inches is exactly the same. I just wanted to point this out. Your 1-inch drive impact. Yeah, I got this at Hobo Freight. But let's show these tools in action. Let's get to it. So you see on this one, there's an L. All right, that doesn't stand for loser. So don't be a loser. You know the rule, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Driver's side was always left-handed threads. That's just so they don't go loose and, 400-pound tire go bouncing through someone's car, and killing the whole family. Remember, driver's side has left-handed threads. Righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. Yeah, it makes no sense. All right, back to the video. So first, I'll use my least favorite, the torque multiplier. Like I said, this thing does work. There ain't nothing wrong with it. Is it something I would use? I mean, in a pinch, yeah, of course. Is it something I'd use on purpose? No. So we are going to be going righty to loosey. Now you're going to loosen it. Now, here you go. I hope you're getting the idea of why I hate this thing. Because, even though you only got 6 on each wheel, oh, crap. Well, technically you got 12, because you got to take, well, that's just the outer one you just remove. Yeah, it's still tight. Do 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 do. All right, you get the point. Why I do not like it? Because it's slow. I got better things to do in life. Really, I do. So I didn't plug this in. Son of a... All right. So next we have this guy plugged into the slave port on the side of the truck. Let's see here. I think. Wow, that was easy. All right, so we had broke that one loose. Let's see if this thing will do one that hasn't been broke loose yet. Hell yeah. All right. So, works great. I especially would love it if I was stranded on the side of a road. Much better than the torque multiplier, wouldn't you say? And, you know, I could always try that 3/8 ratchet. No, not even close. All right, so now for the one that I think everybody should have in their garage. Is this Mama Jamma right here? Now, this is like $300 at Harbor Freight. So, but let's see here. We hurt to go in the right direction. That's NASCAR track. That was easy. That's half. Okay. This one, we're just gonna roll. This one's gonna go up in the front. In a second. There you go, my light's in my way. Okay. Now this one can go outside. This one, we're going to put up on there. Yeah. Stay. Ah. Okay. Yep. Everybody should do these at least once in their life. Just want to make sure you don't cross thread these bastards. At all. You want to make sure they go on real nice and easy. There's that. Turn this around. And let's tighten this back up. Put this guy on. Take out the garage in the meanwhile. Okay. Yeah, put these bad boys on. Let's do the top one. And the bottom one. So tired. Whew. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. All I gotta do is drop it off the jacks and pull this bad boy out of here. Tires changed. So they're not brand new tires, they're just better than what was on there. And the only takeaway is, one, have the right tools for the job, or at least somewhat. Otherwise you're just going to be overworking yourself for no reason. You're gonna hate life and everything else. Second, be careful with what kind of jack you use. You know, these are a 13,000 pound truck if he was lifting the whole thing up. But I got 4-ton, I got two 4-ton floor jacks. I also have a 12-ton bottle jack, which is slow as hell, so I didn't use that. The 4-ton worked just marvelous. Driver's side, left-handed threads. Remember, don't go lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. Try to say that whenever your brain is wrapped around righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. That's all I got for today. I hope you all enjoyed this little video. Sorry that I haven't put out a video in a while, but the truck was being used for the Halloween decorations, which I know you all, I think, seen. I think I posted a video about my Halloween decorations. But anyway, the neighborhood loves my decoration out there. They love seeing the truck, so I had to give it to them. But now I got to get it ready for a Veterans Day parade that I'm hoping I get to haul around some veterans in the back of the truck down in Birmingham. But as always, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that there like button. Help a fella out. And thank you all for all your support. Appreciate it a lot. Love each and every one of you. We'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.